In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Planoly, full 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to phrase your request so you get help as quickly as possible. First, use Planoly's Help Center on their website. Start by heading to the main site, then scroll all the way down to the footer. There, look for Help, Support, or Help Center. The label can vary a bit, sometimes it's called Support or Help and FAQs, but they all lead to the same place. Inside the Help Center, you'll find a library of articles organized by topic. It's worth searching or browsing for a minute because many common questions are already answered and you might solve your issue right away without waiting for a response. If you don't see what you need, look for a link that says Submit a request, Contact us, or Ask Support. That opens the support form. Fill in your name, email, and any relevant account details. Then clearly describe your issue or question. Be specific about what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Mention the device and browser you're using if it's a technical glitch and include any error messages you saw. The clearer your description, the fewer back and forths you'll need. When you submit the form, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep it handy so you can track your ticket. Planoly support team will reply as soon as they can. This path is ideal for non-urgent issues, billing questions, login problems, or feature support that doesn't require immediate attention. If you don't see a reply, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. If you're already logged in and want faster help, use the in-app support from your web dashboard. Open your dashboard, then look for a help, support, or chat option. It might appear as a question mark icon, a chat bubble, or a support tab along the side or bottom of the screen. Click it to open the support widget. Type a concise summary of your issue, add any helpful details, and send. Depending on availability, you'll either connect with a support agent or get guidance from an automated assistant with links to relevant articles. This is often the quickest way to get help while you're working, especially for simple questions or quick troubleshooting. That's it. Use the Help Center for thorough, documented support and the in-app chat for quick assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes contacting Planoly straightforward and stress-free.